Hello everyone, in this video we're going to solve a Leetcode problem, that is final value of variable after performing operations. Now this question comes into the topic of array as well as strings because we're going to use the concept of string here also. Okay, so there is a programming language with 4 operations and one variable x. So there are 4 operations, that is plus plus x plus plus, minus minus x, and x minus minus. So plus plus x and x plus plus means that you're incrementing the value of variable x, which is given to you already, by 1. And minus minus x and x minus minus means that you're decrementing the value of variable x by 1. Okay, so initially the value of x is given to you as 0. Now, an array of string, that is operations, is given to you containing a list of operations. You have to return the final value of x after performing all the operations that are given in your array. Okay, so initially the value of x has been given to us as 0. Now what we have to do is we have to iterate in our operations array, right? Because we have to perform these operations on our x to get the final value of x. So for iterating, we'll of course use for loop here, and we are going to start from index 0 till the last index of the operations array, that is its size. Okay, so now you have started iterating and you have come to the first element of your operations array. What are you going to do here? That we haven't mentioned. So what we're going to do is operations of whatever is the index. If your index is plus plus x, or the element of your operations array is equal to x plus plus, so in this case you will simply increment the value of x by 1. And if your operations, that means the element, is minus minus x and operations is equal to x minus minus, then in this case you are going to decrement the value by 1. Return x, right? So if you iterate in this and you see this condition, does not satisfy, so you go to this condition. That means minus minus x, yes, it satisfies, so you will decrease the value of x by 1, right? So here your value of x will become minus 1, right? It will become minus 1 because it was already 0. Now if you come here, it will increment by 1. So minus 1, it was already minus 1, and we'll plus 1 to it, so it will become 0. Then again in 0 you'll plus 1, so it will become 1, which is the answer. Okay, another test case. It is plus plus x, so you'll iterate in this array. Plus plus x means you plus 1. So it was initially 0, in that you plus 1, which gives you 1. Again you plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Again you plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. So your output is 3. Right? Explanation is given for each step. You can check this explanation out. Okay. So initially your x, the value of x was 0. Now if we increment the value of x, it will become 1. Again if we increment, it will become 2. Now we have to decrement it by 1. So 2 minus 1 gives you 1. Again you have to decrement. 1 minus 1 gives you 0. So it is giving you 0 as the output. So this is how you can perform operations. I think we didn't submit this code. Yeah. Let's submit and check if it is passing all the test cases or not. There is an error. Right here it should be operations of I. Again there is some error. Oh right. What a silly mistake. Here I haven't put equal to sign. And now if we submit, as you can see, it has been accepted. That means all the test cases have been passed.